Hello YouTubers, it's Del Reppy PM, also known as Russ Sandlin. I wanted to answer a question that a lot of you had, especially my friends and family. How much am I making on YouTube? So I've got a lot of things going for me in terms of having to get clicks because I do a lot of really cool and interesting things. I collect coins and love that as a passion. I stack gold and silver, I metal detect, I do coin roll hunting, all kinds of crazy stuff like that. I also have a fun career. I set up contact centers all over the world. I've been doing it for a long time, so I travel a lot. So that's kind of interesting as well. And I've been featured on the news in a few different countries with my work. I also used to be an avid sportsman. I've had a great life. I'm blessed. I've had some terrible tragedies in my life. I've lost dear ones in my life that fathers should never have to lose. So I've had a bittersweet life. It knocked me on my ass for a couple of years, going through those problems. But all in all, I'm really lucky. So that should equate to a lot of money in YouTube is what you would think. So anyway, let's go through what am I making? A lot of you are asking. First off, as you can see from this channel, my old channel, I got a lot of clicks early on. 20, 30, 40,000 views on one video or another video. And I never really did anything about it. Just people would say where I worked, why don't you throw that up? It was on the news. It would get a lot of clicks. That was over 10 years ago. I can't get this channel back though. So if I focused on just that channel, I imagine it would be a very, very lucrative channel. And I'm trying to bring that into my other channel now, which isn't working out yet because it's confusing my base, which are really coin collectors and numicists. And people who like to travel and look at gold souks as well. So anyway, take a look at this. It's kind of interesting. So you can see I had a lot of success 10, 12 years ago without even trying. Just setting up and posting things from my work. 10, 12, 14, 20,000 views on my videos doing nothing. Now the problem with that old account that I had is it's gone. They converted accounts to Google, and I had it on, I think, on a Yahoo account, and I can't recover or remember the password, so I can't bring that in. You can actually have a couple channels under one channel. You could have two different names if you can recover your old one, which I prefer. One of the things that you should do when you have a YouTube channel is be very focused, and my problem is I'm not focused at all. I've got too many things going on. I got a cool work life, and then I got a cool coin collecting kind of habit that I'm not doing much of because I'm not making as much money as I used to. And then I also still travel. And my biggest videos that I've had so far, you're going to see that. I just got lucky. These videos got a lot of attention, and I don't even know why. They're really bad videos. So take a look. So my top video was me passing through Dubai airport, and I was showing gold. So I first got a lot of traction from the folks that followed me because of the gold and silver. You can see it was terrible. I didn't have a good picture, a thumbnail, and it just was a terrible video. But it's my #1 video, so I got lucky. Now I've learned from that, and I want to do videos where people want to come and watch and be engaged and like it. So I'm learning to make better thumbnails and to be focused, really short videos now, one topic. That one video for Dubai had like 3 or 4 different topics, and all my coin videos had like 15 or 16 different coins, different varieties. So none of them really took off because I really did a bad job. Now I'm going to be showing you what I'm actually making, and I'm probably going to get a ton of thumbs down when you see it because I'm not making as much as I should be making. But anyway, I want this to be a lessons learned for people. When you make your videos, really work on what you want to say, how you want to say it, who you want to connect with, and that's how you're going to get a viral video. And I think that one of these days I'll get lucky and get one of those unicorns myself. But stand by, you can see what I'm making right now, and I'm looking forward to all those thumbs down. So you can see I've made $12 over the last 28 days. So not a great result. And what am I going to do to address it? Well, we'll talk about that. But take a look next. I'll show you a little bit of how you can dive down in YouTube analytics. It's pretty cool. So you can see my top video this year has been my Coinstar video, which I really need to edit because it's a pretty cool video. It's just showing how much money I made, and people want to see how much money you made when you pour down that big bucket. And you can also see that the Dubai Gold Souk one, which is an equally bad video, how it's made a little bit of money. So I haven't made a whole lot of money. You can see it by month though. But I mean, for somebody who really hasn't been trying and is just learning, it's pretty cool. So I made just over $300 altogether doing this, which isn't bad considering I'm just kind of having fun with it. But anyway, I thought I'd share with you how you can start looking at becoming monetized. So that's really it. That's what I've made, over $300 over a 4 or 5 year period. And I've kind of been a hack at it. I've done some terrible videos, and that's how much I've made just making awful videos. So if you think about your what you're going to say, and you only stick to one topic, and you try to engage and educate people, you should do better than I do. And you should also have a great thumbnail, and you should use the cards and the end ones to market yourself. Another thing that you should do that I never really do, but I'm going to start doing it now, as Salvate Metal likes to say, like and subscribe. Thank you. This is Del Rep BPM.